Our adductors or groin muscles are one of those sets of muscles that become incredibly tight, especially when we take someone like a runner who has glutes that shut down. These muscles just typically tend to almost compensate for the lateral stability that's lacking in the hip. So it's something that we want to address on a lot of these individuals. So to get a good effect of those adductors, we want to take our lacrosse ball and put it anywhere along this upper thigh or this lower thigh. We want to avoid that mid kind of inner thigh area because that houses a couple of nerves and some arteries. So if you're doing this and you start to feel a little bit of a pulsing in your leg, just back off, make sure you're not right in that area and you want to move back to that muscle. So the muscles we're really looking for are that upper area and that lower area. And the way we can hit this is by laying on our stomach, putting our lacrosse ball into that area and just resting right on it. Now what you'll find is for many of us, unless you're a gymnast, you may not have the flexibility or the ability to really push down on a lacrosse ball. So what I always recommend is try to take a softball or a slightly bigger ball to give you a little bit more of an impact in this area. Try out the lacrosse ball, try out the softball, see what works best for you. Either way, you're typically going to spend about 30 seconds to a minute in this area, but adjust to what you feel like you need to get the adequate release you desire.